Work ID card. Measure thermometer. Injector. Surgical scissors. Pet stethoscope. Pet medicine. Pet anti-biting headgear. Wound healing agent. Disinfected tweezers. Dog X-ray image. Kitten X-ray diagram. Surgical knife. Thermometer. Skeleton. Pet medicine. Pet anti-inflammatory tablets. X-ray image, you can clearly see the kitten's entire skeletal system. The X-ray of the dog, which clearly shows the areas of bone damage. Wound healing ointment helps dogs heal quickly. Clamp antiseptic cotton or alcohol cotton to apply on the dog's wound. The syringe is used to inject local anesthetics, which helps the success of the operation. The skeleton can be used for injured pets. A scalpel can help doctors quickly incise wounds or excise infected areas. Anti-inflammatory tablets used for inflammation relief in pets that have just undergone surgery. Tablets used for pain relief in pets that have just undergone surgery, so that pets can recover quickly. Take the temperature of a sick pet to prevent pet fainting. Have a slight fever. I have a fever. High fever. Normal body temperature. Medicine for pets to recover quickly. Surgical scissors to remove necrotic tissue from infected areas on pets. Doctor's ID badge, which can clearly indicate the working scope of the doctor. Pet stethoscope worn on the ears to listen to the pet's heartbeat and breathing. Pick up the pet from its neck to prevent it from suddenly biting the doctor or nurse during vaccination or surgery, which serves as a bite prevention measure and also prevents the pet from licking the wound.